this down the runway today.
Thank you so much. And as One Infinite team, we are really excited to be part of this Lakme Fashion Week in association with FDCI. This time our responsibility is greater because we are co-sponsors and we are committed to bring you new talent from every corner of the country and talented designers like Chavan Vasudha and Sejal. Yesterday you have seen. Yesterday we had three another talented designers and how beautifully they have carried the outfits. And Diana has been part of our shows for I think every season. And Sonal also very nicely she carried. They were effortless and beautiful. So we are really happy and proud to be part of this event. And they can talk about the collection.
Sure. Thank you. Sejal, if we could hear from you about the collection Silver Whispers.
So it is inspired by the roots of seas and vibe of the ocean. This time we have come with a vibrant tapestry of colors in Ajrak. Basically Ajrak is made in blacks or reds or blue. But this time we have come up with a pastel colors in Ajrak. Yeah. So we are incorporating Ajrak into the traditional fabric into a modern fabric.
Thank you. And how does it feel to have Sonal walk for you today?
Yeah, she's a vibe. She's a vibe.
Sonal, we want to hear from you on your experience walking down the runway at Lakme Fashion Week.
Well, I've walked for the Fashion Week, Lakme Fashion Week many times, and it's always been an amazing experience. Today, this was the first time I walked for Sejal, and I loved the entire collection. What I especially love is how beautifully she's blended the contemporary designs into the age-old technique of block printing and dyeing on the fabric of Ajrak. So I think it's a perfect romance that she's created between modern and the age-old tradition, and keeping the heritage alive. Not to forget that it's also keeping in mind the livelihood of many artisans who are totally dependent on this technique. So I think all in all it was a winner, and I'm very, very happy today that I am walking with Sejal.
Well said. And of course, all of that work and all of your hard work is coming together so well. Congratulations to you. Charu and Vasudha, tell us a little bit about Azura.
Hi, thank you. Azura is the perfect balance between nature. Azura is the perfect balance between nature and form, and we've used a very strong color palette, and it's all the thing about our brand is we are into contemporary luxury occasion wear, and we just try to make it accessible for everyone.
Anything you want to add about this beautiful outfit today?
So this is Dinah embodies the perfect CNB woman. So it is the embroidery. This lehenga, when we just thought that it's got to be on Dinah. We've seen her walk so many times and always dreamt about this. So I'm so happy that she's walking for us.
Dinah, you're a vision today. You've walked for One Infinite many times before, and how does it feel to be a CNB, a showstopper?
You know what's really special is that it's Charu and Vasundhara's debut at Lakme Fashion Week.
Congratulations.
So congratulations for a spectacular show. And I'm really, really happy that I could be part of your special day. I hope I made it special.
How does it feel to be back at Fashion Week?
Always great, thank you. I feel like the runway is just like my second home. So it's always great to be here wearing this beautiful outfit today. What I love the most is the neutral color tones. That's very much my personal style as well. Also the fact that this is very much Indian wear, but there were so many different silhouettes on the runway, from pants to jackets, shrinaras, kurtis. It wasn't just lehengas and lehengas. There were saris as well. So yes, I'd say the silhouettes, the work, flower motifs that ran through the collection, as well as the muted color tones are what really had me.
I think congratulations are in order in general. Congratulations to you, Charu and Vasundhara, to Sejal for this beautiful collection, to both of you for being back again, and to One Infinite for bringing and curating these really nice showcases at Lakme Fashion Week XFTCI each season. Thank you so much, Krishna. If you could just do one round of photos, and then I'll request Diana and Sonal to do solos as well. Cameramen are waiting for that.
Sorry. हाँ चलेगा
सबका दिल मतलब हो जाए ना।
मैम वन लुक यो डन ब्रदर तब तक वो हो रहा है बाइक कर लेता हूँ सुनो ना बस बस ब्रो
अरे
ब्रो
क्या कर
बस
रहे हो
दादा मेरा सेंटर है
तेरा सेंटर नहीं, अभी जो ट्राइपॉड लगता है ना
बस
वो
चल
सुनो ना
अभी जो कैमरे लगे अभी इसका सेंटर है ना यहाँ।
चलो firstly you are looking stunning as always. Tell us something about your outfit and tell us something about your this accessories is looking brilliant.
So, firstly, as you all know, I'm wearing this beautiful design by Sejal Kamlar, and I absolutely love this outfit. Like I said earlier, what I really like about it is that it's a perfect romance between a contemporary design and the age-old technique of block printing and dyeing on the fabric ajrak. And I think she has sort of done this union very, very beautifully and very effortlessly. So I like that. That's the colors that I'm wearing are exactly the colors that I like. This is very much my personal style. In fact, this is my favorite color. The majority of it is blush pink, which is my favorite color. The accessories, there are pearls, and then this beautiful flower that I'm wearing. I think everything just represents the ocean. So she's used the oceans of the sea, sorry, the whites of the sea and the ocean. So that's why we have a pearl, this like a shell kind of a thing. Again, very romantic. The entire collection for me means romance.
रैम्प वॉक की अगर हम बात करें तो सबसे खास बात क्या हो जाती है और फैशन की अगर हम बात करें तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है फैशन में आपके लिए
आई थिंक मेरे लिए फ़ैशन में जो मैंने हमेशा से कहा है कि मैं पर्सनली कभी भी ट्रेंड्स को फॉलो नहीं करती हूँ। आई थिंक फैशन और आपका जो स्टाइल होता है वो इंडिविजुअल स्टाइल होता है, इसीलिए उसे स्टाइल कहते हैं। हर इंसान का एक अलग स्टाइल होता है एंड दैट्स व्हाट एवरीवन शुड डू। Always experiment, always do and wear what feels right on you, because that is when you're going to own it and then you're going to kill it.
सोनल मैम, आप एक इंटरव्यू में आपने कहा था कि इस लाइन मतलब एज अ मॉडल या फिर एज अ आर्टिस्ट आपको नहीं बनना था, लेकिन अनएक्सपेक्टेड आप आ गए थे। फिर आपने मिस इंडिया का टाइटल जीता, फिर उसके बाद मतलब आप मॉडल भी थे, आप अब एक्ट्रेस भी हो गए, आपने ऑलरेडी टाइटल जीता। जो ये मॉडल के बिहाइंड द सीन रहता है उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे, या फिर वो लोग जो डिसिप्लिन वो लोग मेंटेन करते रहे वो सब के बारे में कुछ शेयर?
आई थिंक लाइफ में कोई भी चीज़ हो, कोई भी प्रोफेशन आप चूज करें, डिसिप्लिन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। नॉट जस्ट अ प्रोफेशन, एनीथिंग इन लाइफ, इफ यू वांट टू बी सक्सेसफुल इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी डिसिप्लिन। सो मॉडलिंग का जो करियर है या प्रोफेशन है, दैट्स नो डिफरेंट। You know, you have to follow a certain diet and you have to be physically and more importantly mentally very healthy. So that's what it was when I was doing that. But मैं सबसे ज़्यादा फोकस जो करती हूँ वो अपनी ओवरऑल वेलबींग और मेंटल हेल्थ और फिजिकल हेल्थ में करती हूँ। No matter which part I'm playing, whether I'm playing a model like I did today on the rap, or when I'm playing a camera, it's my mantra is the same.
Last question.
Okay, you'll find lots of tracksuits because comfort for me is very, very important. Denim shorts. I like denims with white t-shirts, so that is something that you'll find. Apart from that, sometimes when you have to go out, a little black dress.
Thank you so much.
Okay.